Here are some crazy animal facts that might just blow your mind. Number 1, pandas eat bamboo for almost 12 hours a day to keep up their energy levels. Number 2, the sloth moves so slowly that moss actually grows on its body. Number 3, the electric eel can deliver a shock of up to 600 volts, strong enough to knock out a human. Number 4, elephants are terrified of bees. Just the buzzing sound of bees can make an elephant run away. Number 5, owls' eyes can't move, so they have to turn their whole head to see around. Number 6, the albatross can stay in flight for months without landing. Number 7, if an ant were the size of a human, it would run twice as fast as a car. Number 8, crocodiles can't stick their tongues out. It's physically impossible for them. Number 9, if you set a spider on fire, it would explode like gunpowder.